Hey there, John Hooks here, and welcome to my review of AI songs. This is a fantastic piece of AI software that you are going to want to get as quickly as possible. But I need to get you over to my bonus page where I have additional information about it. So from YouTube, from your YouTube video that you're watching, go ahead and click the link beneath the video that says get my exclusive bonuses and AI songs here. Click that link and it'll take you to the page that you are seeing now. So, AI Songs, world's first artificial intelligence powered text to song creator that enables you to transform your text or lyrics into captivating musical compositions without any technical skills or marketing acumen. All right, so fully tested and proven, launch your own BandCamp, Reverb Nation-like music selling platform on the fly, turn an ordinary piece of text or lyrics into mind-blowing songs like never before, smartly convert your songs generated into eye-catching 4K video and get listeners hooked. Totally unique and innovative tech that creates freshly composed, mesmerizing songs for yourself or your clients in just seconds. Let customers literally beg you in exchange for premium services. Create your own unique songs easily with your voice commands or by entering any keyword. So there's multiple components, to AI songs. And so here are some of the key features that you're looking at here. You have the AI song generator. You have the AI song to video maker. You have the AI music generator, and you have the AI music marketplace. That's where you're going to sell your songs and make a lot of money. All right, so you just 3 clicks away from converting any text or lyrics into mind-blowing songs. Start your own profitable song selling platform and charge customers any price you want in the next 60 seconds or less. So step number 1, AI generates lyrics. Choose between AI generated lyrics or use your own custom lyrics. Step number 2, select the artist. So now you can pick your preferred artist from a huge list of available and get on the fast-paced rocket to success. And step number 3, ready to go. Boom, you're done. Just use these premium music tracks for your own or your clients and see boatloads of dollars flowing in like never before. So I have a short demo video to show you here. And so let's go ahead and watch that.
On his special day, let's hike the highest peak. With laughter cardinals, our spirits will speak. Red velvet cake, bedecked in tree. For our dear friend, memories sweet.
All right. So there's a lot there. Bookmark this page and you can come back and rewatch that demo as often as you'd like. So what is this going to cost you today? So the price is starting out at $17, but that was for the first 6 hours only, which is today, June 2nd, and then it's going to go up 1 penny per hour. So, you're still going to get a pretty good deal if you jump on this, anytime in the very near future. So there is a little order bump that can be added when you buy the front end for $10. It's you get the AI songs plus 2K a day AI lyrics for additional $10. And so that would be a total of $27 or whatever, depending upon the price of what this is right here, right? And then there are just a huge number of OTOs, too many of them actually, but you have a lot to choose from. So starting with OTO number 1, you have AI Songs Unlimited for $67, or you have the Unlimited Platinum Plus version for $147. Now, of course, you are going to get sales pages and explanations of all of these one-time offers after you purchase the front end. So I'm not going to go through a lot of detail or any detail on them right now. Some of them are pretty self-explanatory, but you'll get detailed information after you get the front end. So OTO number 2, the AI Songs Done For You, $197, and Done For You Platinum Plus for $297. OTO number 3, AI Songs Automation for $37. OTO number 4, AI Songs Plug and Play for $97, or the AI Songs Plug and Play Platinum Plus for $167. OTO number 5 is AI Songs Fast Track Profits for $67. OTO number 6, AI Songs Infinite Traffic for $97, or the Infinite Traffic Platinum Plus for $167. OTO number 7, AI Songs Agency for $67, or AI Songs Agency Platinum Plus for $147. OTO number 8 is AI Songs Reseller Edition. OTO number 9 is AI Songs Multiplier for $47. And OTO number 10 is AI Songs White Label for $297. Now, remember that these key benefits that you're going to be getting when you pick up your AI songs today, you get to offer premium song creation services on top platforms and make cool passive income. You create your own AI generated song site with just one click, easy upload your songs and charge top dollar by selling them to a wide audience. Easily upload your songs and sell them to a wide audience. Okay, use these songs to attract more eyeballs, make 10 times more appealing videos and crush your competition. Fire all your expensive tools and services once and for all. Say goodbye to monthly fees or paying for expensive music platforms. Get $280 off if this technology doesn't work for you. No hidden fees or any extra expenses, nothing to download, install, or customize. You can get started in just seconds. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee, and you get premium, never offered before bonuses with your access today. And so, speaking of bonuses, I do have some bonuses for you. And before we get to that, this is the demo that you just watched a couple minutes ago. So, of course, at any time, you can come back and watch that. And at any time when you're ready to go ahead and get your copy, if you haven't done it already, click any of the red banners on my bonus page here. That will take you over to the AI Songs sales page, where you can click on the purchase button and go to your secure checkout. All right, so I mentioned that I did have some bonuses for you. I'm going to start you off with artificial intelligence and digital marketing. And of course, AI Songs is an example of that. But this here is a flip book that I put together, and it has just loads of information of how AI can be used in digital marketing, how to make money from it, where to make money from it, and a bunch of other very good information. A very valuable piece of a tutorial there. Bonus number two, I'm going to give you 5,000 visitors to any URL of your choice. All right. And this could be a URL of your new music career here. And so on top of 5,000 guaranteed visitors, you have 2,500 text ads plus 2,500 banner impressions. On top of that, I'm giving you some forever traffic basically. So spring traffic, this is a traffic rotator. And so you add your URL, to this rotator, and it will continue to be displayed for as long as this rotator is in existence, which is going to be for quite some time to come. In addition, some email copy secrets, how to write killer emails that get results. Bonus number five, the affiliate advantage, how to go from beginner to a super affiliate almost instantly. And bonus number six, the bonuses that was mentioned earlier from the vendor, a lot of valuable bonuses, and those will be listed on the sales page also when you click any of the red banners on my page here to go ahead and get your access to AI Songs today. AI Songs is sold through the Warrior Plus platform. So once you click any of my red banners on my page here, you get over to the sales page, you click your purchase link, and then you go through your secure checkout, and you will end up on your purchase page at Warrior Plus. There are two buttons there that you want to be cognizant of. The first one, of course, the green button is your access to your AI song software. And the blue button is your access to all of the bonuses that I just showed you that I'm giving you today when you pick up AI songs. All right. Well, that is it for me. I want to thank you for taking your time to watch this review. And I hope that it is invaluable and that you jump on this as quickly as possible. The price, will continue to go up. And then after the launch period is over, it's subject to go up in one great big swell swoop. So grab it as quickly as you can. This is pretty exciting. You could have been, that wannabe artist, composer, and this gets you there instantaneously. All right. Impress that one that you're chasing with what you can do with this. So again, enjoy the rest of your day. And as always, to your success.